Have you ever wondered if your chronic pain could be unlearned? What if I told you that the pain you feel might not be entirely physical, but could be deeply connected to your brain's wiring? Sounds unbelievable, right? Today, we're diving into a topic that challenges conventional thinking about pain, the idea that chronic pain might actually be something we can unlearn. In this video, we'll explore how pain is processed in the brain, why it becomes chronic, and how innovative approaches to managing pain focus on retraining the brain itself. Stick around, because this could change the way you think about your pain and maybe even help you find relief. Chronic pain affects millions of people worldwide, and it's often seen as a purely physical issue. But what if the pain isn't just a signal from your body, but also a pattern your brain has learned over time? This is where the idea of unlearning chronic pain comes into play. To understand this, let's start with how pain works. Pain is an essential survival mechanism. When you hurt yourself, your nervous system sends signals to your brain, telling it something is wrong. In acute situations, like touching something hot, this system works perfectly. The signal is sent, you pull your hand away, and the pain subsides once the injury heals. But in cases of chronic pain, the system malfunctions. The injury or trigger may have healed, but the brain keeps receiving pain signals, or may generate pain sensations even without any physical cause. This is because the brain can become sensitized over time. Think of it like an alarm system that keeps going off even when there's no danger. This is what happens in chronic pain. Your brain has learned to overreact to signals, turning the pain into a constant experience. So, can you unlearn this pain? The answer might be yes. Neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to rewire itself, suggests that just as the brain learned to be in a chronic pain state, it can learn to stop. Several methods are being explored to retrain the brain and nervous system, reducing or even eliminating chronic pain. One effective approach is pain reprocessing therapy, PRT, which helps people recognize that their pain might be a false alarm sent by an overly sensitized brain. By consciously reframing how we interpret pain signals and reducing fear and anxiety associated with the pain, we can help the brain stop reacting so intensely. Another method is mindfulness meditation, which encourages you to observe the pain without judgment or fear. Research shows that mindfulness can reduce pain perception by calming the brain's threat response. When the brain is less reactive, it starts sending fewer pain signals. Physical movement is also crucial. Often, chronic pain sufferers avoid moving the painful area out of fear of making it worse. However, gradual movement and exercise can help convince the brain that it's safe to move again, reducing the pain signals over time. Cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, is another tool that focuses on breaking the cycle of pain, fear, and avoidance. It helps patients challenge their thoughts and beliefs about their pain, shifting the brain's response and lowering the pain threshold. These techniques work because they tap into the brain's flexibility. By changing how we think, move, and respond to pain, we can slowly unlearn chronic pain patterns. It's not about ignoring the pain or pretending it doesn't exist. Instead, it's about re-educating the brain and showing it that the pain is no longer needed. So, can chronic pain really be unlearned? While it may not be an easy process, the answer is promising. By harnessing the power of neuroplasticity, combining therapies like pain reprocessing, mindfulness, and cognitive techniques, it's possible to retrain the brain and reduce or even eliminate chronic pain. If you've been battling pain for years, don't lose hope. Understanding how your brain processes pain can open up new doors to healing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more insights into health and well-being. Share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear your experiences or any questions you might have about unlearning pain. See you next time.